Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo man out here in Mongo's garage. It is about quarter to 12, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. We really hit it hard here this evening, trying to get some more stuff done on Pat because it's going to be snowing here come Sunday. We're expecting, looks like anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snow, and as we all know, too tall will not go into four-wheel drive. So KJ's going to need a four-wheel drive for this weekend. So I'm putting a big push on Pat to get him done, and that way KJ will have something to drive. So yeah, been busy. There he is. We got all the grill, the front end, the hood, front bumper, the front splash pan there, or the goodness gracious, I can't even think of what it would be called right now. Fascia. Got that in there. Had the whole grill assembly back out of it because it's a whole lot easier to put a lot of the fender hardware and stuff in there with the grill out of there. But we've got it all back in there right now. I did go through here this evening and went, did the tune-up one more time because I had been blindly adjusting things on the timing, and well, it was way out, so I got it back into where it's supposed to be. If you guys remember from when we went and picked it up and other pictures, this whole corner was smashed in, and it doesn't look the greatest, but it's not smashed in anymore. And fenders match up pretty good. Of course, they came off the truck, so they should match up pretty good. Just trying to get all the right shims and stuff back where they belong. Pretty happy with that. And as you can see, we still don't have the side windows done. That's just about the only thing left to do is them side windows. Check him out from this side over here. And same thing. This side, the fender was pushed in the back side right there. So we took care of that. And again, this side all matches up real nice. Very happy with all that. Pop that hood open. I can't wait to get them doors built. Get rid of all that noise. So there's the under the hood, still pretty dirty. Haven't put the air filter on it yet either. Did get the steel me junction folded back in there, that brand new one. Like we were talking about, I made a new positive battery cable. The ground runs down. I do have to get this stuff tied off a little neater. Get it up out of the way. Get things situated where they need to be. It's still hot from when I had it running earlier. We need to take it out. It did fill the shop up here pretty good with fumes. We need to take it out and run it. I'm pretty sure that at this point, the plugs that are in it, you know, from starting it and stopping it here in the garage, never warming it up, they're probably fouled. But nothing that running it on the highway wouldn't, you know, running it, getting it warm and keeping it warm, burn them plugs clean. So yeah, everything under the hood came out really nice. As you can tell, obviously, you know, everything under here is clean and shiny, and like we said, everything on the outside is still rusty and dingy and patinaed, which is exactly the look I was looking for, which I was hoping for. I did go ahead and order a bunch of new parts. Obviously the grill, it is titled an 80 now, so that grill's got to change. We're going to change it over to an 80 grill and put the Ford on the hood and not in the grill. That Ford that's in that grill right now is actually out of a 91, out of sketch actually. Yeah, that's what we came up with. It's been a long time coming. Well, 2.5, maybe 3 months, right? Since it's been here in the shop, and we got it all back together. I mean, it wasn't, but maybe 2-3 weeks ago, it was still essentially a bare frame, and now he's all back together, and once we get those wing windows put back together, we can get them tinted and get this stuff installed. That's really the last big job, is to get those doors built. Once the doors are built, she can, he, not she, we'll take him out and run him down the road. We've got a 11 o'clock appointment on Saturday to get it inspected. State inspection just down the road here from us. And hopefully he passes with flying colors. Like I said, all brand new brakes. Tires are like new, no holes in the body. I mean, I can't say that it isn't rusty, but there are no holes in it. I think if you come back here and you take a look at it, Pat's a good looking truck. I think he's got just the right stance, just the right look. Would it be nice to paint it? Absolutely, but you know, why? It was a chore to try and save the Patina, and we did. I think we did an excellent job saving it. Just needs washed now and treated so that the Patina doesn't go away or get worse. And like I said, KJ's gonna drive it. So that's what we're after. All right, so I hope you guys have liked the journey so far. We got him just about all back together. Like, we got to still tint them windows, put the doors back together, and take it out and see how it runs. I don't foresee any problems. Like we said, all the work that we've done to it so far, I think it's all going to be good. So, all right, we'll be back out here tomorrow night. It's only Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Talk to y'all soon. Mongo Man's out.